Hello everyone. Now this is a simple RSA algorithm example. Now the RSA steps in a previous lecture, it contains all the explanation about the RSA steps. Now this is example. Step 1: take a large prime number. That one is two prime number. That one is we just to take a small prime number as an example, but actual we need to take it as a large prime number. That one is a 7 and the 17, and the condition says that P is not equal to Q. Okay, that is step 1 of RSA. Then step 2, that one is calculate the n is a P into Q. Now the what is the value of n now is 119. Then third, that one is third step, calculate the phi of n. It comes with the Ewald-Stotian function phi of n, that is n is P into Q. That's why it come with the P minus 1 and the Q minus 1 because of the Stotian function. I've already explained you about the Stotian function, like P is, this one is a Ewald-Stotian function, phi of n is equal to n minus 1. This is the output. The theorem says. Now the phi of n is a P into Q. Then what will be the output? It's a P minus 1 into Q minus 1. That's why the direct phi of n answer is a P minus 1 and Q minus 1. That's why phi of n is a this. Then what will be the value of this? Is a phi of n minus phi of, sorry, it's a 119. Now this phi of n is a P minus 1 and Q minus 1. That one is a P is a 7 and Q is a 17. It's a 6 into 16. It's a 96. The value of phi of n is a 96 now. Now the step 4, just to select the E, which is not a factor of n, right? Factor of 96, phi of n. The factor of 96 are, factor of 96 are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. If we multiply 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into, then it's a 96. That's why these are the factor of phi of n. Then fourth step says that select the private key. That one is we just do a select the private key, which is not a factor of phi of n. Then factor of phi of n is a 2 and 3. That's why we select the 5. Okay, which is again the condition which one is said in algorithm steps, that is E is a here some of the other condition. E is GCD of E and phi of n is 1. If we check GCD of E 5 and phi of n is a 96, it comes with a 1. This condition also true. Now the another condition, that one is E is greater than 1 and less than phi of n. Phi of n is a 96, is a less, E is a less than 96 phi of n and the greater than 1. That's why the particular key is a encryption key is E, which is verifies the conditions, all conditions. Now the question steps 5, that one is calculate the D. We know the D is D into E mod of phi of n, then is equal to 1. It should be a 1. Then D is just we select the D as a 77 into E is a 5 mod of phi of n is a 96 and it comes a 1. If we calculate 77 into 5, then it should 77 into 5, 77 into 5, it should 385 divided by 96. Then it 4 means 96 into 4, 384, and total if we multiply 384 is 384. If we multiply by 4 times, then 77 into 5 is a 385. Means answer is 1, right? It's a true again. That's why D is a 7, which is equal to 1. This equation equal to 1. That's why E is a 5 and D is a 77. Now we just to calculate the next step. That one is step 6. Step 6. What is the step 6? Select the private. We just to calculate the D. Now we'll calculate the ciphertext and plaintext. We calculate the ciphertext and plaintext. Now the ciphertext, it's simply the ciphertext is, one second, we'll just do, oh sorry, we'll just do okay, we will just write the content here, like ciphertext is equal to plaintext. We consider plaintext as a 6 value, right? 6 raised to 5 mod of 119, that is a n, right? And the answer is a 41. Now again send this 41 to the second user. Now second user calculate the plaintext again. Plaintext is equal to 77, that is a decryption key, sorry, it's a plaintext is a 41, plaintext raised to a decryption key, mod of 119, it comes a 6 again. Means your plaintext is a 6 and it's again converted into the plaintext as a 6 with the help of decryption. This is a decryption, this is a encryption. This is simply the RSA algorithm, which one is represent the particular. Now the 6 is a, again you can convert your a value, which is converted into ASCII, that is ASCII value, and you can use that number here for the mathematical calculation. This is simply the RSA algorithm steps. Thank you.